Hey y'all, what's going on? Charles here from AllCoastLawncare. Hey, so somebody asked me, hey, do you rake or blow the leaves away from the house and the fence? You know, and then you mulch them. So I blow them, y'all. All right, I use my blower. I blow them off the street onto the grass and I mulch them. So here's one of our customers right now. I will show you the process right now. All right, here we go. Hey y'all, how's it going? So like I said before, when the grass is dormant, I mulch leaves and I mulch pine needles. So so I just tell the customer, hey, so due to the us coming in fall, we're doing fall maintenance, and we're gonna be mulching our leaves, and we'll keep it on the same schedule, because right now they're planning on telling you to hold off on the service for lawn care. All right, so that's what they're thinking right now, okay? Because they're probably wondering, man, $7 million is too much. I'm glad that grass is dormant; it's not growing. You know, so trust me, y'all. They're planning on telling you to hold off on lawn care, and thank you for servicing our lawn this lawn care season, and see you next year. All right, that's what they're planning on doing, y'all. They're planning on telling you that. Okay, but before you have to beat them to it. Okay, all right. So you're gonna text them up or call them. Hello, Charles here from All Coast Lawn Care. Just letting you know, due to us being in the fall season, we're currently doing fall maintenance. So, the price is gonna be the same. All we're gonna be doing is blowing the leaves or pine needles away from their house and the fence and the trees, and we're gonna go ahead and mulch them, and spread all that mulch back to the ground for because it's good for the grass. All right, and they'll be like, oh, okay, yeah, thank you. Oh yeah, that'd be great, because you know what? They don't want to rake their leaves or their pine needles. All right, they don't want to bag them. Okay, all right. That's why they're calling it for lawn care in the first place, because they don't want to do it. All right. So more likely they're gonna say, oh yes, great, thank you. All right, and you're gonna keep them for the fall for an extra 2 months. All right, cause well, who knows, man? Cause like some of these trees, maybe they got a lot of trees. You know, maybe their leaves will still keep falling like in 3 months. But more likely by the end of December, they shouldn't even be having no more leaves on the trees, and you should already done most all of them. Okay, but you're still gonna be getting those customers that are holding off on their mulching their leaves and pine needles. I ain't gonna say customers because they're not your customers, but there's people out there like, man, I need my leaves. I need my grass cleaned up. My leaves and pine needles off my grass. So they're gonna go on Google. I hope you have a Google page, and they're gonna see you. Hello, I need my leaves and I need leaves and pine needles removed from my yard. How much would it cost? So hit them back. Hey, we'll be glad to help you out. Can I go assist your yard? So you go over there. You look at the yard, and you're telling yourself, how much would I mow this yard for? $70, $80, and that's how much you'll tell them to, what do you call that? That's how much you'll tell them it's gonna be to mulch, right? But if it's like a lot of leaves and they're like they want to hold off that long, they're too lazy, okay, to or they don't want to call anybody, that's more work, all right? Okay, that's more blowing, more more going around with the mower with the mulching the leaves and the pine needles. So that's up to you. How much are you gonna quote them? Okay. So like I said, I quote them like the regular price of mowing. Okay. The only thing is, I'm not edging or I'm not string trimming. All I'm doing is blowing the leaves away from the house and the fence and just mulching them, going in circles. Okay. It should only be like one pass, going like in circles or a square. You know what I'm saying? So, but if it's a lot of passes you got to do, hey, you could double it, you could triple it, however you feel your time is worth being out there, okay? Because all that dust going in the air, hey, that's going in her face. That's bad for her health, unless you're wearing a mask, okay? And believe it or not, it's wear and tear to the mower, okay? The bearings and the pulleys and the spindles, all right? So that's wear and tear to the mower, y'all, all right? But yeah, you can still make money after the grass when the grass is dormant, when the grass isn't growing. Okay, mulching leaves and mulching pine needles. All right, If they want them bagged, that's up to you. I do have an accelerator bagger I stick on the side of my mower. All right, I did have one customer requesting bagging though, but after I told them the price, they just wanted them mulched. Yep, that's how I do it, y'all. But dude, leaves are still falling. Like, it's like never ending. Especially if you have a magnolia tree like I do at my house. Man, that's like all year round leaves, you know what I mean? They just fall. But hey, that's how I do it, y'all. I blow the curb off, all leaves onto the grass from the curb, the driveway, from the house, the fence, and then I mulch them. All right, as you can see, I was going over it multiple times. The main thing you gotta be careful about is where the leaves are blowing and where the wind is blowing. If we're blowing leaves that way and the wind is coming that way, these are gonna come back that way. But they're trying to blow that way, so you go around in circles. So just be mindful of that, okay? Other than that, y'all, that's how I do it. All right. Hey, the season isn't over yet, okay? Hey, lawn care is all year round. Yeah, cutting the grass, mulching the leaves, mulching pine needles, or bagging leaves and pine needles, blowing out flower beds from leaves and pine needles, cleaning out gutters, trimming trees off the house or off the fence. You know, a fence cleanup where trees are just growing through the fence. All right, so there's always work, y'all. Pressure washing, you know what I mean? I'm kind of dirty right there. Other than that, y'all, hey, thanks for watching. God bless. If this helped out on their hustle or on their business or how to make more money, please like and subscribe. All right, I really appreciate that. Other than that, y'all, God bless. Never quit or give up. Hey, see you on the next video. Bye.